How to fix your Netflix account cannot be used on this device. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to fix your Netflix if it is showing the error that it can't be used in this device. So for that, all you have to do is just simply open the Netflix account and just log into your account and see if this error is keep occurring in your mobile device or not. And if you see that the error is still there, so all you have to do is just simply close the app, and after that just open your Play Store or App Store, and after that just search for Netflix and see if there is any update pending regarding your Netflix app or not. And if you see that there is an update pending, just go ahead and update your Netflix account to the latest version, and after that your problem should be fixed. But if you still think that the problem is still persisting, so all you have to do is just simply open your account settings, and after that just simply scroll down until you will be able to see the option called apps. Just simply go to app management, and over here just simply go ahead and search for Netflix, and over here just simply open the Netflix and click on storage uses, and over here just go ahead and clear your data and cache related to your Netflix account. And once your Netflix cache and data has been cleared, your problem should be fixed. So this is basically how you will be able to fix your Netflix account cannot be used on this device. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.